What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to bind your scooter to your Ninebot app. Actually, I have here E2 Pro, so let's check it out how to do it. Very simple. What you need to do is to download the Ninebot app here. I have it already here, Ninebot. Create an account, open it up and click search for device. Bluetooth search and connect. So as you see, two scooters here. Let me connect to my scooter. E2 Pro. So when you click on it, you just click one time like this, one time again. So connecting, please wait. Please start again. To pair, okay, started. Device pairing successfully, and it will show your account. So click bind. Again, Bluetooth pairing completed. So bind successfully. Then you need to click OK. Then you have some safety instruction. Just click next, 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 done. Your scooter is here, connected, so you have the settings, you can manage it here. It's 1 day of proud ownership, enable guard mode, have the dashboard, you can see how long the range is now. Actually, you have many settings available, and that's how you can just bind it to your phone. For iPhone or Android, doesn't matter, this app available for both.